Okay, so let us have the example of GCF. So this is the continuations of the greatest common factor. Another example. So let's say, find the GCF of 18 and 24. So we are going to find the GCF of 18 and 24 using the three methods. So listing, the first method. So, yun, 18. Find first the factors of 18, which is 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6. Okay, so these three pairs are the factors of 18. Then we have 24. 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. So, make sure na makuha nyo lahat ng factors ng 18 at 24. Then, after that, after nyo makuha, so you're going to list ito. Okay? So, inyo po siyang ilalagay ng pasunod-sunod. So, ayan. So, that is the factors of 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. Then next, the factor of 24, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So again, etong mga nilista dito is galing lang po yan dito. Pinasunod-sunod lamang po natin para mai-apply natin yung listing. So, what is the GCF of 18 and 24? Okay? So again, 1 is a common factor of 18 and 24. We have also 2. Common factor pa siya. We have also 3 and 6. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung common factor. Ano kaya yung GCF? What is the greatest number or the largest number? Okay, so we have 6. So, the GCF of 18 and 24 is 6. Okay, so that is how we use the listing. Next, let us use the prime factorization. Okay, so prime factorization, we are going to use a factor 3. Okay, so ayan. So we have here 18. Ayan. So, think ka ng factor. So, pwede mo ditong makuha sa listing. Okay? So, ang ginamit ko is 2 times 9. Okay? Kahit ano, pwede nyo gamitin. Pwede nyo rin gamitin ng 3 times 6. Okay? And then, 2 times 9. Then, 9 is composite number pa. So, if a factor ko ulit siya, what is the factor of 9? So, we have 3 times 3. Yes. Ayan. So, as you can see, 3 and 3 are prime numbers na. So, stop na tayo mag-factor. Wala na silang factor. So, we have sa 18, meron tayong prime numbers na 2, 3, and 3. The next, tignan natin yung 24. Okay, 24. So, let us factor 24. Nay, huwag kang maingay. Okay, so let us factor 24. So you're going to think again, 2 numbers. So dito sa listing, pwede nyo siyang mahanap. So, anong gagamitin natin? So, ang ginamit ko is 2 times 12. Then, as you can see, 2 is a prime number, 12 is a composite number. So, we have, factor natin yung 12. What is the factor of 12? Okay, 2 times 6, or you can use 4 times 3. Okay? So, we have 2 times 6. Then, 2 is a prime number. And 6 is composite number. So, meron pa siyang close. 2 times 6. So, 6 is composite number. So, yung 6, meron pa siyang factor. So, the factor of 6 is 2 times 3. Okay? So, natapos na natin yung factor 3 ng 18 at 24. So, ano yung susunod? So, we have, find natin yung partner ng 3. Okay? Sa 24, meron tayong 3. Tignan natin kung may partner siya sa 18. Yes, we have. Okay? The next, may 2 sa 24. Okay, may 2 rin sa 18. Okay? So, meron pa ba? May partner ba yung 3 dito? So, wala na. Okay? So, kukunin nyo lamang po yung partner ng meron sa bawat isa na prime number. So, since we have 2 and 3, kukunin nyo itong 2 and 3. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Okay? Imumultiply nyo lamang sila. So, 6 is the GCF of 18 and 24 using this prime factorization. Okay? Another, let us use the continuous division. So, we have 2, 3, 5, 7, and 11. Okay. So, sabi ko baga, yung continuous division, let us write first the first 5 prime numbers. Para yun ang gagamitin natin as a divisor. So, gagamit tayo nito. Andito na si 18 at si 24. Okay? So, yung 18 divisible sa 2 at yung 24 divisible sa 2. So, let us use 2 as a divisor. Okay. So, let us divide. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Correct. So, next. Tignan natin. Si 9 ba is divisible by 2? Hindi na. Si 12 divisible siya sa 2. Kaya pwede siyang i-divide. Kaso si 9 hindi. So, punta tayo kay 3. Si 3 ba or si 9 ba divisible by 3? Yes. Si 12 ba is divisible by 3? Yes. So, let us use 3 as a divisor. Okay? So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay? So, we have the answer of 3 and 4. So, as you can see, 3, hindi na siya divisible kay 2, pero divisible siya kay 3. Si 4, divisible kay 2, hindi siya divisible kay 3. So, hindi na natin siya pwedeng i-divide kung kanino man. Kahit kay 5, 7, 11, hindi na. Kasi hindi na po sila divisible. So, diyan na magtatapos ang ating pag-divide. So, after nyan, pag natapos na natin yung pag-divide, ano na yung gagawin? Okay? So, itong nasa left or yung ginamit natin as a divisor, kukunin natin yung dalawang yan. So, ito yan, 2 times 3. So, ayan, na 2 times 3 na yan, imumultiply natin yung dalawang yan. So, the answer is 6. So, as you can see, 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So, the GCF or the greatest common factors of 18 and 24 using the continuous division is 6. Okay? So, very simple lang naman siya. So, ginamit natin yung listing, yung prime factorization, and the continuous division. The same lamang yung GCF na nakuha natin, which is 6. Next, multiples. So, dito na tayo sa multiples. Yan, na-discuss natin last time. Napakadali lang po. Multiples or multiplying a number by counting numbers give us its multiples. Yan. So, ang multiples, ito yung counting numbers. Okay? O kaya, pwede nyo siyang i-times sa 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Okay, let us have this example. For example, we can get the multiples of 6 and 7 by multiplying by number 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, yun nga. So, ayan. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12. Ibig sabihin nitong multiplying by numbers 1, 2, 3, pwede mo kasi siyang 6 times 1, 6. 6 times 2, 12. 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 24. 6 times 5, 30. So, hanggang mag-10 na yun. tinimes mo siya from 6 times 1 to 6 times 10. So, ayan po ang magiging multiples ng 6. Or pwede rin, kahit hindi ka na mag-multiply, pwede mo siyang counting number 6, 12, 18, 24. Ayan, ganon. Then next, 7 naman. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 3, 21. And so on and so forth. Hanggang minultiply mo siya sa 10. Hanggang nakakuha tayo ng 70 or counting numbers which is 7, 14, 21. Pa-add-add ka lamang po ng 7. Okay? So, napakadali lang po ng multiples. So, ayan. Yan. Ano naman yung common multiples? So, pag sinabi natin common multiples, it is a whole number that is a shared multiple of each set of numbers. The multiples that are common to two or more numbers are called the common multiples of those numbers. Parehas lang ito ng common factors. Kung ano yung meron yung dalawang numbers. Okay? So, very simple din ito. Ayan. So, example, find the common multiples of 3 and 4. Okay? So, I think this example 3 and 4, nasa module nyo siya. Okay? So, i-explain ko lang kung paano nakuha yung common multiples. So, solution. Okay. So, kukunin mo muna yung multiples ng 3. Okay? Counting numbers ka. So, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24. So, dito, ginamit ko 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 numbers. Okay? So, you can use 6 or 8 counting numbers. Okay? Then, multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and 24. Okay? So, dito sa 4, gumamit lang ako ng 6 numbers. First 6 numbers. So, ayan. So, nakuha nyo na yung multiples. Kukunin nyo na yung common multiples na meron ng 3 at meron yung 4. The same with common factor. Okay, tignan natin kung ano yung mga common multiples na meron si 3 and 4. Okay, we have 12. We have 24. Ayan. So, wala na. So, therefore, the common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12 and 24. Okay? Okay, again, 4 and 5. Try natin. Yan. So, nag-counting numbers tayo. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and 28. Then, find the multiples of 5. Meron tayong 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay? So, let us find the common multiples. Okay, we have 20. What else? Wala na. So, 20 ang common multiples ng 4 and 5. Okay? Very simple. Ayan, multiples of 3. Ayan, least common multiple. Dito na tayo sa least common multiple. Ano ba itong least common multiple na ito? Okay? So, the least common multiple of two numbers is the smallest non-zero common numbers, which is a multiple of both the numbers. So, ayan. So, kukunin natin yung least common multiple. So, marunong na tayo mag-multiple. Marunong na tayo kumuha ng common multiple. Ngayon, dinagdagan siya ng salitang list. Pag sinabing list, pinakamababa. Pwera ng 0. Hindi siya 0. Okay? Kukunin mo yung pinakamababa or least common multiple. So, meron tayo ditong multiples of 3 and multiples of 4. So, as you can see, the common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12 and 24. Okay? So, nakuha na natin yung common multiple. Ano kaya yung least common multiple? Okay, so we have 12. Kasi 12 is the least, pinakamababang common multiple ng 3 and 4. Kung highest naman or the greatest common multiple, 24. Okay? So, 12 is the least common multiple of 3 and 4. Okay? Yan. So, aside dyan, sa pagkuha ng least common multiple, listing to eh. Itong ginamit natin, listing ito, tawag dito. Ngayon, gagamitin natin yung tatlong methods. May tatlong methods din ang least common multiple. Kung yung GCF, gumamit tayo ng prime factorization, gagamit din tayo ng prime factorization sa least common multiple. Repeated division and the multiples. Itong multiples, sa GCF, ang tawag sa kanya listing. Okay? So, gamitin natin itong tatlo. Tignan natin yung pinagkaiba, kung paano ba makukuha ang LCM gamit itong tatlong methods na ito. Okay? So, first method, LCM using prime factorization. So, the same kanina, gagawa kayo ng factor 3. Pag sinabing prime factorization, gagawa tayo ng 3. Yung pina-factor natin, and then we're going to get the prime numbers. Tignan natin ang example. Okay, so in this method, a factorization 3 for each given number is generated by listing the multiples of that numbers. The last branch of the 3 has the least prime factors for that number. For example, the factorization 3s for 36 and 48 are generated as follow. So, gamitin natin itong 36 and 48. Okay? Ayan. Yan. Yan. So, LCM using prime factorization. Of course, first, we are going to factor 36 and 48 using this factor 3. So, you're going to think two numbers that you can multiply and the answer is 36. So, ang sabi ko nga kanina, mas madaling gamitin yung 2. Divide nyo muna siya sa 2. Okay? O kaya, gamitin nyo as one number yung 2. Okay? So, gagamitin natin dito. Ayan, 2 times 18. So, palagi kong ginagamit agad yung 2 para madali siyang hatiin. Okay? So, 2 times 18 is the factor of 36. So, as you can see, 2 is a prime numbers and 18 is composite numbers pa. Okay? So, again, let us factor 18. So, maraming factor ang 18. Pwedeng 6 times 3 or 2 times 9. Pwede nyong gamitin kahit alin doon sa dalawa. Okay? So, ang gagamitin ko is 2 times 9. Okay? 2 times 9 ang kinamit ko. Then, 2 is prime number. Then, 9 is composite number. And then, ayan. So, since na-composite number si 9, kukuhain pa rin natin yung factor. The factor of 9 is 3. 3 times 3. So, ayan. So, kung nakikita nyo or napapansin nyo, itong dalawang 3 at itong dalawang 2 ay nasa green na siya. Or ibig sabihin, these 4 numbers are already prime numbers. Yung last branch, sabi nga. Okay? So, hindi na tayo magpa-factor. Diyan na magtatapos kay 3 and 3. Then, proceed tayo kay 48. So, factor ng 48. Gamit tayo ng 2 times. So, 2 times 24. Again, 2 times 24. 2 is already a prime number. And 24 is a composite. So, let us factor again. The factor is 2 times 12. Okay, ginamit ko 2 times 12. Pwede rin gamitin yung 6 times 4. Okay? So, bahala na kayo doon. Parehas lang naman ang kalalabasan niya. Okay, so 12 is composite number again. Let us factor again. So, pwedeng 4 times 3 or 2 times 6. So, ako, ginamit ko ulit is 2 times 6. Para madali kong nakikita yung prime numbers. So, ginagamit ko ang 2 hanggat pwede siya sa 2. Okay? Then, we have 6. That is composite numbers. Okay? So, again, think that 2 numbers, factor of 6, we have, okay, 2 times 3. So, 2 times 3 are prime numbers. Okay, so dyan na tayo magtatapos sa pag-factor kay 48. So, kung nakikita nyo, tapos na natin i-factor. Tapos na natin i-factor yung 48 at saka 36. Ano na kaya ang susunod para makuha natin yung least common multiple? Okay? Ayun, 3, 2, in-underlinean niya lahat ng prime numbers sa 48. Okay, so in-underlinean ko lahat ng, or pwede niyong bilugan, lahat ng prime numbers sa 48, which is 2, 2, 2, 2, and 3. And then, kunin nyo din yung prime numbers na nasa 36 na ginamit ninyo. Ayan. So, 2, 2, 3, and 3. So, paano? After natin makuha yung mga prime numbers, ang gagawin natin, ayan, 36, kokopyahin natin sila. Okay? So, ayan, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Eto na siya. Tama? And then, sa 48, kopyahin din, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Ayan. Okay? So, after mong makopya, ano nang susunod? Ayan. Iko-common factor mo na siya. Ayan. Common factor ng 36 and 48 is 2. Partner-partner siya. 2 at 3. Okay? Kukunin mo lamang yung mga partners. Okay? So, we have etong 2 times 2 times 3, ibaba dito, 2 times 2 times 3. Then, itong sa 48, kunin din itong 2 times 2 times 3, itong 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Okay? So, hindi siya lahat ilalagay dito. Pinili lang natin. Pinili lang yung may common factor. Okay? Which is 2, itong dalawang 2, yung dalawang 3 ko dito, at dalawang 2. Okay? Yan. So, sana nasusundan. And then, ano na susunod? Okay? Ang susunod na ay, ita-times na natin silang lahat. So, after mo maibaba itong 2 times 2 times 3 dito, at itong 2 times 2 times 3 dito, ipagmumultiply mo na silang lahat. Okay? To find the LCM. So, sige nga, tignan natin. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 48. 48 times 2, 96. 2 Lay, pahiram nga muna ng cellphone.
Ay, nagtawag.
Sino yun?
Hindi ko po alam. Basta pinunto agad po.
Ano pangalan?
Pinunto po agad. Hindi ko po.
Okay. So, paano natin makukuha yung LCM? So, ganito. So, 2 times 2 is 4. Tama? Then, 4 times 3 is 12. Next, 12 times 2 is 24. Then, times 2, 24 times 2, ayan, 24 times 2 is 48. And then, 48 times 3 is 144. So, ipagmumultiply nyo lang silang 6. So, our LCM is 144. So, that is how we get the LCM using the prime factorization. Okay, again, i-factor muna yung 36 and 48, and then i-underline yung mga prime numbers ng bawat number, and then ilagay dito, isulat dyan, and then kunin yung common multiple or common factor, yung may kaparehas. Pag nakuha nyo na yung may mga kaparehas, ipagsama-sama nyo na siya, yung 2, yung 2, yung 3 dito, at yung 2, yung 2, at yung 3 dito. Then, i-multiply nyo silang lahat. So, ang sagot niyan, yan yung magiging LCM na 144. Okay, next, repeated division. Doon sa GCF, tinawag natin siyang continuous division. Ito naman, repeated division. Ano naman kaya itong repeated division na ito? Okay? So, ayan. In this method, the given numbers are divided by the common divisors until there is no possible further division by the common number. The divisor and the remainders are multiplied together to obtain the LCM. So, ayan. Gamitin natin yan. Or, let us have this example. Ayan. So, again, yung 36 and 48. Gagamit tayo ng repeated division. The same lang siya sa continuous division. Okay? So, katulad sa continuous division, isusulat rin natin ang 5 first prime numbers para magamit natin as a divisor. Okay? So, 36, multiple ba siya ng 2? Or pwede ba siyang i-divide kay 2? Yes. Ang 48? Yes then. So, let us use 2 as a divisor. Okay? So, ayan. 36 divided by 2, we have 18. And next, 48 divided by 2, we have 24. Okay? So, ayan. Again, hanap ulit tayo ng divisor. Yung 18, pwede kay 2. Yung 24, pwede kay 2. So, gamitin ulit natin ang 2. Hanggat pwede kay 2, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. Okay. So, let us use again 2 as a divisor. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 24 divided by 2 is 12. Okay? So, meron na tayong 9 and 12. Tignan natin. Yung 9, hindi na siyang multiple kay 2. Hindi na natin gagamit si 2 as a divisor. Gamitin natin yung 3. Yung 9, pwede natin i-divide kay 3 or divisible by 3. And also 12. Okay? So, let us use 3. Okay? As a divisor. Yan. So, again, 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, ayun. So, as you can see, prime number na siya. Hindi na siya pwedeng i-divide kay 2 si 3. At hindi na rin pwede si 4 i-divide kay 3 at 5, 7, at 11. So, diyan na tayo magtatapos. Ayan na ang ating last sa division. So, ayan. Na-divide na natin siya. Ano kaya ang next na gagawin? Okay? In-underline na yung divisor or yung nasa left side na numbers na ginamit natin as divisor. And also, yung pinaka-remainder. So, ito yung remainder. Ito yung divisor. Okay? So, ano kaya ang gagawin dito sa 5 ito? Yung divisor at yung remainder. Ayun. Imumultiply natin sila. Okay? Imumultiply natin sila. Isusulat natin sila ng ganito. Yung 2, yung 2, yung 3, ito yung 3. 3, 3, and 4. So, tignan natin. Pag minultiply natin siya, ilan kaya yung magiging sagot? Okay? So, 2 times 2 is 4. Tama? 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. Right? 36. Then 36 times 3 is 108. And then 108 108 2 times 2, 4 times 3, 12 times 3, 12 times 3, 36 times 4. Ayan. So, after natin masalungguhitan or ma-underlinean yung divisor at yung remainders, isusulat natin siya ng ganito. Then, let us multiply. So, 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. And 36 times 4 is 144. So, the LCM is 144. The same lang sa ginamit natin kanina sa prime factorization. Ang LCM din natin doon ng 36 and 48 is 104. Okay? So, next, gamitin natin yung multiples. LCM using multiples. To find the LCM using multiples, list the multiples of the numbers. The least common multiple is the first common multiple for the given numbers. Okay. So, napakadali lang nito. Ayan. Yun. So, yung multiples ng 36 is 36, 72, 108, 144, 180. So, 48, 48, 96, 144, 192, and 240. So, as you can see, yung pinakaunang common multiples niya ay yun ang magiging LCM, which is 144. So, nakita natin yung LCM using multiples, LCM using prime factorization, and LCM using repeated division. Lahat ang LCM natin is 144. Okay? So, ayan. So, pwede nyo siyang gamitin. Ayan, kung makikita nyo. Ito yung prime factorization. Our LCM is 144. Ang ating repeated division is 144. And also, sa multiples, we have 144. So, ayan ang sa LCM natin. Okay? So, next, tayo. Let us answer the learning task in your module.